So in this video today, I'm going to be creating and decorating with pumpkins. So come on with me, guys. Now I'm starting out here with painting these two wooden pumpkin cutouts that I purchased from the Dollar Tree. And pretty much all of these items that I'm using today are budget friendly and did come from the Dollar Tree, guys. And this is going to come out absolutely amazing. So the apple barrel paint though did come from Walmart and it's the chestnut color. I absolutely love it. So sometimes going simple is better, and that's what I chose to go with today. So come along with me, guys. Now this video is a part of a collaboration called Decorate a Pumpkin Challenge. And that could mean decorating a pumpkin, DIYing a pumpkin. Just show us how you decorate your home with pumpkins. And that's as simple as that can get. Who's hosting this collaboration? Well, it's Jean Home Decor and More, and myself, the Grace Life DIY Home Decor. We do have someone joining us today, and that is Donna Decor and More. As in all collaborations, we always practice YouTube etiquette. Make sure to watch the playlist, guys, and watch the videos from beginning to end. Don't pick and choose which video you're going to watch. Also, leave a beautiful comment, guys. You know, creating videos is not an easy thing. It does take a lot of hard work, and this just inspires us and encourages us, and support is always a good thing. Now, as you can see, I'm starting out here by painting the two pumpkins in that chestnut color. Now, after I get through painting all of this, you know, we have to wait for this to dry. And I always go to my florals or my bows next. So we're going to the florals, guys, because I think I'm going to embellish with raffia. Let's see what happens. You know, I'm not sure exactly where I got these beautiful sunflowers, but I can almost bet you those sunflowers came from Michael's. And they're just so gorgeous, guys. And I'm going to go ahead and start cutting them off of that stem and just kind of figure out exactly how I want to position this. So let's see. Now, if you haven't been over to Jean Home Decor and More's channel, you are missing out. You need to head on over there. I love her home decor inspiration, guys, and she does cooking along with me, and we do like the foodie grocery haul and all kinds of stuff, guys. She has amazing content, and she herself is a beautiful person. Remember to go over and subscribe. Click that like button, guys. Let her know that I sent you. Because you won't be disappointed. Now, if you guys have any ideas, any inspirations for the upcoming holidays and even beyond that, just let me know, send me a message, and I'll be more than happy to create it and help you pull it through. Now, these collaborations are amazing to me, and I love to help you guys grow. So always remember that I do this out of love. Now, I found this crate box in my stash, so I went ahead and I painted it, okay, because we're going to go ahead and use it as a floral box. Now, I am pulling the raffia that came with the wood I pulled off. I wasn't going to use it, but then I decided to go ahead and use it because I think it'd go perfect with the florals that I'm using in the floral box. So you'll see what I mean. Now went ahead and I attached the raffia back, and I don't really have to do very much. Sometimes less is more. I think it looks beautiful just all by itself. I glued a piece of foam inside of the box. That's where the flowers are going to go. And then we're going to go ahead and glue a pumpkin to one side of the crate and then the other side of the crate. You'll see how this comes out, guys. Now, doesn't that look beautiful? Guys, look at these sunflowers. They are breathtaking. I love sunflowers, so they are quickly becoming one of my favorites, and especially the white ones. So we're going to place one bunch here in the center, and then you're going to see how I'm going to glue the other sunflowers along the rim of each of those pumpkins. Or I should say the front part of this pumpkin. I don't know what I'm going to do yet. Let's see. Now to fill in the gap, I went ahead and I grabbed some leaves. And so what better thing to use to fill in the gap, guys? So look how pretty that looks. So that solved that problem. So that pick of feathers, I think, is a nice touch. So we're going to go ahead and glue that also, because I also cut that off the stem. And that works perfect when you just want to add it here and there. I only had like 3 of them. I believe 3 of them. And so we're just going to just glue them randomly. And then we're almost ready, guys, to go and display this. Here's my DIY. Let's go decorate. Now, I'm absolutely loving this rustic pumpkin that I created. Here's the swag that I revamped. Also has pine cones and also has little mini pumpkins. Then we're going to add some different textures here of different pumpkins. So I'll be seeing you at the reveal. Now, doesn't this look absolutely amazing? Just the assortment, the textures, the pine cones, the rustic look of all of this is gorgeous. So I hope you enjoyed the video as much as I enjoyed creating it for you. If you liked the video, click like, share, and comment. Don't forget to subscribe, guys. And don't forget to hit that notification bell so that you can get notified each and every time I upload a video. Have an amazing day, and I'll see you in the next one. God bless you guys. Amen.